Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be taking a look at Dogecoin. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy Doge, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Dogecoin is an open source, peer-to-peer digital currency inspired by a viral dog meme from several years ago. This coin was created as a satirical joke in 2013, designed to serve no real purpose other than for amusement in the crypto industry. Dogecoin's mining algorithm was designed to be unappealing to investors by keeping a permanently low value. However, since its launch in 2013, over 1,300 merchants have made the decision to accept Dogecoin as a valid payment method for their products and services. Dogecoin is primarily used for tipping users on Reddit and Twitter, but it is also accepted as a method of payment by a few dozen merchants. It can be used to buy food, household supplies, and even website domains. It falls under the category of altcoins, and while it was created as a joke, Dogecoin's blockchain still has merit, and the basic technology behind Dogecoin is based on Litecoin. LTC miners were previously able to mine Dogecoin using auxiliary proof of work, and the fact that Dogecoin is a fixed inflationary currency allows it to more closely mimic real-world currency, which discourages users from holding on to the asset and encourages high liquidity as users actively trade and use their coins. So, who created Dogecoin? In 2013, Anthony Lorio and Jackson Palmer co-created Dogecoin. Anthony Lorio, a co-founder of Ethereum, is a Canadian and early investor in Bitcoin. He is also the founder and CEO of the blockchain company Decentral and its Jaxx wallet. Jackson Palmer is an Adobe software engineer who co-founded Dogecoin with IBM software engineer Billy Markus. The Dogecoin blockchain is based on Litecoin, and it can process around 30 transactions per second using a proof-of-work consensus scrypt algorithm called auxiliary proof of work, which allows merged mining. Merged mining, which is a process whereby people who mine other proof-of-work cryptocurrencies, such as Litecoin, can mine Doge simultaneously at no additional cost. Dogecoin offers low prices and an unlimited supply of Doge. Dogecoin has a loyal community of supporters who trade it and use it as a tipping currency for social media content. The coin has become the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, and the main thing that separates Dogecoin from most other cryptocurrencies is that it is an inflationary rather than a deflationary cryptocurrency, meaning that there is no maximum limit to the number of coins in circulation. It takes only about 1 minute to mine a new block on the Dogecoin blockchain. There are numerous amounts of ways to get Dogecoin. You can buy them, trade for them, get tipped, or mine them. Dogecoin can be bought with a credit card on popular cryptocurrency exchanges such as Bittrex Global and Payward Inc.'s Kraken, as well as other trading platforms, including Robinhood Markets Incorporated. The exchanges require you to set up and fund an account with US dollars or cryptocurrency. You are then able to buy and exchange cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. Once your account is funded, you can purchase Dogecoin and transfer them to your secure crypto wallet to ensure that you have full ownership of the asset. The safest form of storage is a trusted crypto wallet with good ratings. to avoid the theft of assets, the loss of access keys, and so that you know you truly own the coins and tokens that you purchase. Based on research, we have compiled a list of some of the top 3 wallets that are compatible with the Dogecoin ecosystem and suitable for storing Doge coins. The first wallet is the Coinbase software wallet, which provides multi-currency support and allows you to easily generate more wallets for different cryptocurrencies. You can send crypto payments via the application and store your keys on Google Drive. The next wallet is the Binance Chain Wallet, which is the official Binance cryptocurrency wallet for accessing Binance Smart Chain, Binance Chain, and Ethereum. It can be used to securely store crypto assets across several different blockchains. And lastly, the Ledger Nano X is a hardware wallet that can store up to 100 applications, and it is possible to manage all your assets directly from the device. This wallet supports more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies, and it is one of the most trusted wallets, with all of your private keys being stored inside the hardware wallet chip. So what do we like about Dogecoin? Something that was initially a mistake made Doge one of the most affordable investments in the world of cryptocurrency. Despite the idea that it is not meant for long-term investments, the coin is mined on popular demand and has earned its place in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Whereas Bitcoin has a capped supply of 21 million coins, there is currently no limit to the number of Dogecoins that can be created. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, is one of Dogecoin's boosters and announced that it is his favorite cryptocurrency, and promised to plant a physical Dogecoin token on the moon. Social platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and Facebook have embraced Dogecoins, and people can use their coins to reward or tip each other for posting content. Dogecoin has one of the largest and most active communities in the cryptocurrency world. This community has come together to fund a number of charitable efforts and other projects, and has found innovative ways of being integrated into society. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Dogecoin. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.